believe it or not, but each and every single one of these watch faces have some kind of hidden function. So regardless if you have an Ultra, Series 9, 8, 7, all the way down to like Series 3 or an SE Apple Watch, here are all the watch faces hidden features. Let's get started. We're starting this off with the alphabetical order, and that is the activity analog. This watch face allows you to see your activity progress, all behind a traditional analog watch. Next to that is the activity digital. Same concept. Artist, it's said to be an engaging watch face that automatically changes each time you tap on the display, as there's millions of combinations apparently. Astronomy, this watch face shows a 3D model of the Earth, Moon, or the solar system. Pro tip, you could tap on the display and scroll up or down with digital crown to go through the future or check out the moon phases, as well as view positions of the solar system. Breathe. This watch face encourages you to relax and breathe mindfully. Just tap the display to begin. And then we got the California watch face, which is mainly used for the multiple different numerals you can select from. You got Roman, California, Arabic, as well as Chinese. It's really interesting. Chronograph. This watch face measures time in precise increments, like a classic analog stopwatch. That does include a stopwatch that can be activated right here from the watch face itself. And you still have room for complications on the side too. The Chronograph Pro. Tap the outer edge surrounding the main 12 dial on this watch face and it will transform into a chronograph. Record time on scale from like 60, 30, 6 seconds or 3 seconds, or even select the Techmeter time scale to measure speed based on time travel over a fixed distance. Color. This watch face displays the time and any other feature you add of choice. With your own color palette to choose from, you can choose to multiple different colors you like, and of course you have your complications you have access to on the corners. Contour watch face. This is only available for the Series 7, Series 8, as well as the Series 9, Ultra 1, and Ultra 2 Apple Watch. This watch face generally just gives you the highlight of the current hour, minimizing the other numerals in this cool design shape that really does utilize the edge-to-edge display on the Series 7 and newer Apple Watch. This is also one of my top favorite watch faces due to the fact that I can also fidget with the digital crown with it. Count up. This watch face can be used to track elapsed time. You simply just tap on it, rotate the digital crown, and start, and you could end it just like so. Explorer. This watch face is only available on Apple Watches with cellular, because one of the most notable feature is the green dots that will basically indicate your cell phone cellular signal strength. Fire and water. This is probably one of the best looking watch faces, as basically just shares you an animation of your wrist of both fire, water, or a mixture of both. GMT. This watch face has two dials, a 12 inner dial that displays local time, and a 24 outer dial that lets you track a second time zone at a time. If you tap on here, you can also see what other time zones, what times they're at, all the way around the world. So you have quick access to everything right here. And you can also hit check mark to begin tracking that one time zone you want. Gradient. This watch face features a gradient colors that just move with the time. Infograph. This watch face unique feature is the capability to feature 8 rich full color complications. Kaleidoscope. You can either select your own personal photo or you can use the current shape and patterns that it has. Simply tap on the watch face and just turn the digital crown to change the pattern. Liquid metal, basically just a cool animation of liquid metal that will change every time you raise your wrist or tap on the display. Lunar. This watch face depicts the relationship of date and the time to the phases of the moon. Tap the watch face and then turn the digital crown up or down to go back in time. Memojis. This watch face basically just features your memojis that you've created or other memojis characters that's available as well. Meridian is a full screen watch face that features a classic, really cool looking, simple Apple Watch look with 4 complications you could fit in the center. Metropolitan. This classic type-driven watch face is customizable when you actually tap on the display, and you can just use the digital crown to rotate the numbers to enlarge them, make them become pillars, all right here on your wrist. The Mickey Mouse is a Disney exclusive watch face for the Apple Watch, which allows you to change to the Minnie Mouse watch face as well. And fun fact, if you have your Apple Watch not on silent and you have the tap to speak, each character will actually read out loud the time in their character's voice. Modular. This watch face has a 6 complication slot that's easy to read typograph interface. Modular compact. With this watch face, you could choose up to 3 complications as well as a digital or an analog dial. Modular Duo. This is available on the Series 7, 8, as well as the Series 9, Ultra 1, and Ultra 2. This watch face features a digital time and up to 3 complications. 2 of them are large, which allows you to see more details for 2 complications. Motion. This watch face just displays a nice, beautiful animated theme. Now for the Nike watch faces, all these basically share one unique function. Is the Nike logo is a dedicated complication shortcut that will take you to the Nike app. If you have that installed, this can be really useful. Numerals. This watch face displays the time with an analog hand over a large hour marker. You can choose from 7 different typefaces and countless of colors that are available for this watch face to get the perfect combination that best suits you. Numeral Duo is a large watch face that was actually designed for people who have a hard time seeing. And then you got the Numeral Monos, which is very similar to that one, but you have little analog hands in the center. Palettes. Palettes has a unique way to display dynamic colors, highlighting the different elements on the watch face, all with the hour, minute, as well as second. And it's fully customizable with multiple different color choices to choose from. Photos. This allows you to have a customized photo watch face, and if you choose album, you could allow it to shuffle between many different photos on your photo library that you created for that album. Playtime, just a bunch of doodling number animations with their own expressions. It's just a joyful watch face. You could tap on it to interact with them as well. And then you got portraits, very similar to photos. Just these ones are all portrait shots, so it utilizes the 3D feel to make things look more dramatic. Then we got Pride Analog. You could tap to make things wiggle. Same goes for Pride Celebration, Pride Digital, Pride Thread, Pride Woven, and yeah. Simple, just keep it simple. The Siri watch face display information that's timely and helpful. It might be your next appointment, the traffic on your way home, or the time that the sun set. You could tap on each and every single one of these to get more information. Turn the digital crown to scroll through your day. Snoopy, this basically features the iconic Snoopy dog with its unique animations each and every time you raise your wrist. The Solar Analog features light and shadow that shift throughout the day in response to the position of the sun. The Solar Dial, this watch face features a 24-hour circular dial that tracks the sun, as well as an analog or a digital dial that moves the position of the sun's path. And if you like to, if you tap on this watch face, it'll show you the day length and then turn digital crown to show when the sunrise or sunset will occur. The Solargraph, this watch face based on your current location and time of day. The Solargraph watch face displays the sun position in the sky as well as the day, date, and the current time. Then if you tap on this watch face, you can see the day's length and then turn digital crown up or down to see sunrise as well as sunset when it will occur. Stripes, this watch face allows you to customize it by adding more stripes or less stripes. Time lapse, this watch face will show a video time lapse of nature, city, or your choice. As you have New York, Hong Kong, London, Paris, and Shanghai. Toy Story is an exclusive watch face for the Apple Watch, which allows you to have these unique character animations each and every single time. Typograph, this watch face features 3 custom fonts in a nice elegant way. Unity features a unique design inspired by the Pan-African flag. Same goes for Unity Lite, Mosaic, and the newly added Bloom. Utility, traditional watch face. You can add up to 3 complications to display what you want to see in a glance. Vapor, just vapor animation every time you raise your wrists. World time allows you to basically track the world time in 24 time zones at once. The location around the outer dial represents the different time zone, while the inner dial shows the current time in each location. Tap on the little globe center to see the time zone you're in, which is also noted by the arrow at the 6 o'clock. And then the extra large is just another very large watch face you can choose from in case you're hard of seeing. Then if you customize it, you can add 1 large complication as well. Now for the Apple Watch Ultra, you have access to the modular Ultra, which allows you to switch between elevation, depth, or seconds for the outer ring. Then with the Wayfinder watch face, if you tap on the second hand, you have a compass right here, which will display your longitude and altitude. And then for a hidden watch face, can be located in school time mode. When you activate this, it'll turn your Apple Watch into a simple analog watch, freeing you from any distractions so you can stay focused in class. And there you have it. Those are all the unique features that each Apple Watch watch face has to offer. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't just leave a like and get subscribed, but also check out this other video over here where I go through 40 plus amazing hidden features and tips and tricks that the Apple Watch Ultra has to offer. Thank you so much for watching.